Hey, welcome back to my channel. Just want to go through a little quick something here. This battery is the original battery that came with my HDOs. This battery has made me crazy mad. This battery fails to accomplish a decent flight session for me. It has a little indicator here that you can push a button and it will show you how much battery life is on there. If I can shield it from the lighting here. Okay, so 2 bars. So basically it's saying that the pack is halfway through. I may have flown a total of 5 or 6 heats and then spectated maybe 2 heats, just one race at a time, total of maybe 8, and it's halfway through. That was with no DVR. As you know, with DVR you're going to use a little more juice. So this battery is not happening. I'm not happy with it. So people have told me, get the 18650 pack where you can put 18650 batteries in. I don't have 18650s or a charger or anything. So I was kind of looking for something else. In the meantime, I've been working on my 21-year-old T-Max 4x4. And I needed a new battery to start that truck. So kind of killing 2 birds with 1 stone and came up with something really cool, and I'd like to share it with you. I'm powering my goggles off this battery. This battery is in my pocket, or it's on the little cup holder in my chair. This battery came originally with this connector, which I don't use these connectors anymore, so I don't have any more things with that connector on it. So basically you just need to get you some XT60s. Put a male on here. So cut this one off one at a time. Don't cut across it. So cut the ground off, solder in your XT60, cut the power off, solder in your XT60. Okay, so here we go, XT60. Then I went to the thrift store and got a transformer for like $1. And it had the correct barrel connector and it had a nice heavy duty end on it. So I cut the wires apart and soldered them onto a female XT60. Okay? And then I just wrapped it with black tape and shrink wrapped it. And so now it's nice and rigid, so it doesn't get torn apart so easy. And then this will plug into the battery. Okay? And then I can charge this battery quickly. This one here absolutely made me crazy. It would take like all day to charge this thing off a USB. So this one I can charge off my XT60 on my normal charging rig, and all's good. I actually haven't had to charge this. This is almost still at 4 volts, and I used it all weekend at the race, or all day Saturday at the race. I've started my truck a few times with it, and still haven't had to charge it. So it's really great. I put this in my pocket. This 90 degree here goes through my belt loop. And then this wire harness I got from Race Day Quads goes up my back, and I just zip tie. I'm going to put a little Velcro thing onto the strap. So then this plugs into the goggles. What's nice is it has a switch on it. Well, I was at a night race Saturday, and it has an LED to let you know that it's powered. So it's pretty nice. You just kind of look at that, and you can tell. And you can hear that. I mean, that's a robust switch in there that, it feels good. You're turning it off and on. It's not like, a membrane style button. It's an actual clicking button with a spring and everything. Anyway, so this is about 4 foot, plenty long, longer than you might need. But it's nice because you put your battery in the cup holder, or you put it in your pocket. And then this barrel connector connects here. And like I said, I had this in my pocket, and then this went up through my belt loop and then around my back. And this switch is like right about your pocket, like your back pocket area. So it's easy to get to. And it was so nice. It was so refreshing. I don't know how to explain it. I have put this to my goggles. Now remember, this cable here doesn't change voltage. This is a 2S battery. If you plug a 3S battery into this, you're going to mess things up. This is a 2S battery, so it's the same voltage as this one. So this harness isn't reducing, it's not modifying the voltage coming from the battery. Okay, so 2S battery, 2S battery. All right, and then on the end here, we have the barrel connector for the goggles, and then the 3-pin connector for the fan on your goggles. So I just took a zip tie and zip tied this onto my goggles, and then I plugged this in, and then I plugged this one in. Okay, and then this is zip tied. So if I snag this on anything, it's not going to pull these connectors from my goggles. And then what's nice is this button here has a light on it. So now your goggles are, they're powered up. Okay. And you push the button, no power. Push the button, all comes up. Okay. And it's slick. And it doesn't use any juice. I mean, you can run that a long time. I'm sure if you've already had a setup similar to this, you know what I'm talking about. But if not, this is an awesome solution to that piece of junk battery. So I just wanted to kind of share with you that information. And like I said, this little light on here is pretty sweet. It's bright, and I really enjoyed this setup. So I'll put a link in, I guess, for this one. I got this on Amazon. I got the cable at Race Day Quads. So if you have any questions about this, hit me up. But I just thought I'd share that with you. It's a really inexpensive solution to a problem. I think with the battery and the cable, I'm trying to think, I may have $1 more than what another one of these. There you have it. I appreciate your time. Have a good one.